Hello guys, I hope that you're fine. So as you know, we are working in the unit 4 of your book. So today we're still working with the unit 4, just with the lesson 2, 3 and 4. And today we're going to finish the unit 4, so please pay attention and we're going to start now. So as you can see, we have grammar books here. So that says define article the, right? So the only thing that you need to know is that we use the article the to name something a second time. For example, it says it comes with a salad, and the answer is okay. I'll have the salad, right? So we use this when we are talking about something in a second time. Also, we have some indefinite articles here that could be a or an. So we use a when we're talking about something that use a consonant, right? For example, a salad, um, tomato, or something like that, right? So we use an when the word or the noun start with a vowel. For example, here we use an appetizer or an ice cream or something like that, right? So also we use the to talk about something in specific. For example, as you can see here, we said the option A that says, "Would you like an appetizer?" So here we are talking about something in general. It is not in specific. So in the letter B, the answer is yes. The fried clams sounds delicious. So if you can see here, we use a specific thing of the menu. So we are talking about here the fried clams. Also, we have another example here that says, I'm in the mood for seafood." So if you can see here, we are not talking about something in specific. We are talking about in general when I said seafood, right? Remember that when we are talking about seafood, we are talking about fish, crabs, or something like that. So the answer is, then I recommend the grilled shrimp. So here we are talking about uh, something in specific from the menu, right? So this is the only thing that you need to know about it. Also, you need to know that um, the first time that a plural noun or no-count noun is used, we don't have to use an article. For example, if I tell you, I want to eat carrots, right? So how is the first time that I mentioned carrots? I'm not using any article, right? Also, you need to know that um, when we are talking about something in specific, we use the, and when we are talking about in singular, and when we're talking about um, indefinite um, things, we use the articles or and, right? All right. In this part, we have a little vocabulary. So the vocabulary is about the adjectives to describe healthfulness food, right? So the first word that we have is healthy. What does mean healthy? That is good for you. Also, we have unhealthy. It means that is something that is bad for you. Also, we have fatty or high fat. It means that contains a lot of oil. Also, we have low fat, and it means that doesn't contain a lot of oil. Then we have salty, that means that something contains a lot of salt. We have sweet, that it means that contains a lot of sugar. We have high calorie, and it means that something can make you fat or overweight. We have, and the last one, we have low calorie, and it means that is something that is not going to make you fat, right? Okay, guys, in order to provide you the best information with this, and you can understand the difference between healthy and unhealthy, salty, sweetie, etc., or something like that, I have some examples here, right? So when we're talking about healthy, uh, we can say that when we are eating healthy, it means that we are eating, I don't know, fruits, vegetables, or something like that. For example, carrots, kiwi, tomatoes, or something like that, right? So when we are talking about unhealthy, remember that when we say that something is unhealthy, it's bad for you, right? So here we have hamburgers, donuts, um, chocolate, or something like that, right? When we are talking about fatty, uh, when we are talking about hamburgers, pizza, fries, etc., right? When we are talking about low fat, we are talking about something like fish, um, broccoli, tomato, cheese, or something like that. Salty, remember that when we're talking about salty, uh, it is something that contains a lot of salt, right? For example, mayonnaise, pretzels, uh, cookies, some cookies. And we are talking about sweet. Here we can say it could be candies, cakes, pies, cookies, chocolates, or something like that, right? So this is the end of the class. So I hope you see you soon, guys. Remember that if you have any questions, don't be hesitate to write us, and we are more than glad to help you with your concerns, right? So see you next time. Bye.